What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Gonna be going with some Stirling tonight, the vanilla sandalwood, and I'm gonna be using my Yaqi Butterscotch handle brush. I haven't used this brush in a little while. Gonna go ahead and dump some of this water off the top of this soap. Stirling is a very thirsty soap, so a lot of times I put a little water on top of the puck so it loads into my brush a little easier. The scent on this soap is medium, maybe a little lower than medium strong. I'd say on a 1 to 10 scale. 4, the domineering note in this I'm getting mostly is probably the vanilla. I'm not really picking up much of the sandalwood. Maybe, maybe a little hints of it here. So, lather is pasty when you load your brush. This is one of the more thirstier soaps, like I said earlier, that's available out there. Price point on these soaps are excellent. For 5.8 ounces of soap, I think it's anywhere from like $12 to $14. Pretty good deal for a good quality soap. Very generous offerings. And a lot of offerings too. A ton of different scents. My favorite Stirling scent is the Haverford, which is a tobacco scent. I currently do not have that one. Actually, no, I do have that one. I have a sample of it. But it's pretty much almost gone, so I gotta order a new tub of this. Or a new tub of it. I got about 3 or 4 days of growth here that I gotta mow down here. I need a shave bad. Alright, just gonna paint a little more water in here. I only have 2 Stirling soaps. I have this one and I have the Barbershop, which is a very nice scent as well. And that little sample, like I said earlier, but that doesn't count. This is a soap that my wife picked out for me last time we went up to Pastor's in New York City. She absolutely loved the scent of the sandalwood and vanilla. I'm just about dialed in here. One more application of water, I'm good to go. That looks good to me. And clear these lines here. Got a new haircut. I needed a haircut bad too. Dry my hands off real quick. Hope everybody is doing well. Hope everybody is having a great week so far. Razor tonight is going to be my WH Morley with the barber's notch here. And here we go for the first pass. Alright. Good slickness on this soap. Stirling is super slick. Very nice protecting lather. And I dribbled a big glob on my shirt here. Alright, let's get this other side here. Awesome shave so far. Alright, let's see how I did here. Very nice first pass. A little bit to pick up here. See if I can get the rest of this on the second pickup pass here. Yeah, very, very, very nice scent. And I am almost at 300 subscribers last time that I checked, and I am very, very thankful to everybody who has recently subscribed and all the people who have been with me for a little while. Thank you, everybody, for your continued support. I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 300. So keep your eyes open for that. Alright, that looks good. And here we go for pass number 2. So I got inspired to use Stirling soap because some other YouTubers are using it right now for September. I think they're calling it Stirling September. Gnomeo over at Gnomeo Shaves is doing Stirling September. And so is JimCo. Two good YouTube channels. If you're not subscribed to them, whoop, hopefully I didn't get myself there. I will leave their channels in the link below. Okay, got myself a little bit. Gotta be careful when you're under the nose there. There you go. Little tiny cut there, no big deal. All right, let's see how I did here. Not bad at all. I'm going to go ahead and stop here. I'm happy with the shave. Pretty smooth under the nose here. It's pretty smooth under the neck. One little cut. I'm going to go ahead and clean that up after the video here. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to be using for post shave. I'm going to be going with Proraso Red here. Very nice aftershave splash. Good healthy dose. All right. Very, very, very nice shave tonight. Only a little weeper right here, but no big deal. I'm going to go ahead and clean that up. So hope you guys all have a great week. See you again soon for another shave. Take care.